Guys, I wanted to show you this cuticle oil that I received from the company. I really like this brand. I have known about them for a while, and I have purchased the nail polish for my daughter. I trust this brand. The cuticle oil I think is perfect. They sent this to me to try out. It's the winter in the Northeast. The heat is on, and I definitely need this on my hands often, as well as my daughter. And my son. So this is the vanilla scent. It definitely has a scent to it. It smells like, you know, what you would bake with, basically. I think it smells great. I don't love perfumes. I don't love things that are like overly scented, but this is really nice. I put it on my cuticles and then my hands. It's just so nourishing. I'm really happy with it. It does have almond in it. So if it's, you know, something that you're sensitive to, just know that it's in there. You could read all about the brand itself. Really great. So I'm really happy with this. It's cruelty free. It's vegan. Really beautiful, like simple ingredients. Nothing crazy is in here. I think the package is so pretty. It comes with a dropper and it is glass. It's something that I think will look really nice on my nightstand or on my vanity. Definitely really happy with this, and I hope to get more.